I'm Natalie and I own the Nakery. We're here at the Nakery, which is 44 Berry Street, and we make raw vegan treats that are all refined sugar-free, gluten-free, dairy-free and full of goodness. I started this business as a hobby, and through the business growth I decided to start to follow a vegan lifestyle. I really seen the health benefits. It's better for the planet and just like the ethical reasons as well. So as I grew the business, I started to see that side. Just feeling generally just better in yourself. You feel like you've got more energy, your hormones start to balance out. So from a health point of view, it really is the best thing that you can do. I think it's just the fact that the ingredients are like supercharged. So even down to the environment that we make the treats in, you know, we sage the whole kitchen all the time. We have like essential oils burning, we have crystals around the shop, and just the ingredients that we use are really nourishing for the body. And I think when you taste it, you can taste the difference. So I think it just keeps people coming back. It's very mixed, so even like children, like small children and babies even have the treats, and it's just a natural way for them to get like their sweet fix without any of the like added rubbish really. I've always been quite independent anyway through school. I used to sell sweets and stuff on the playground, so I've always had that entrepreneur inside me, I guess. It started as a hobby. As I say, I was in university at the time, and one thing just led to another, and I love it. Yeah, it's my passion. So it's been a huge journey. I've been doing this since 2015, so I think Instagram has been a massive help for us on social media. That's the way of the world now, so just like pushing it on social and making sure we put good content out and stay engaged with the customers. I think that's really helped to grow the business. When you first incorporate it, you start to feel the benefit and you start to see the benefits in your own body, and you can want to tell everyone because you can get really excited and be like, everyone who you care about, you want them to do it with you because you can see how good it is. But I think it's just everyone's on their own path, and you've got to understand that they're going to take their own time to sort of like realise things, and you can't push it down people's throats because it's up to them. Like, everyone can make their own choices. You just have to take your time with it. It's not going to happen overnight. You've been eating a certain way your whole life and you're being conditioned to think a certain way. So I think everyone should take the time with the transition, not worry about putting like a massive label on it, and just do whatever's right for you and listen to your body in that sense, yeah. It's just being wise with what you buy, going to shops and buying a lot of veg that you can sort of make big batches of meals and then freeze them. I think that's definitely the way forward. And there's a shop called Route 22 that do fruit and veg boxes, deliveries. It's all organic. And I think it's good you get like a weekly delivery of fruit and veg that's in season, and then you can just make various meals from it and supporting a local business as well. So.